In our last video, we installed the citation management software Zotero. This video is an introduction to the Zotero plugin for Microsoft Word. Zotero plugins are also available for LibreOffice and Google Docs. These word processor plugins are bundled with Zotero and are installed automatically for each supported word processor on your computer when you first start Zotero. We can find the Zotero plugin for Word by opening the Microsoft Word desktop application. Open an existing document or create a new document. The Zotero tab should be available in the toolbar. If you do not see the Zotero tab, you can reinstall the plugin. Open the Zotero desktop application. Select Zotero from the menu, then Settings. Click Cite, then scroll down to Word Processors. Click Reinstall Microsoft Word Add-in. If you're still having trouble, click the question mark to open up the Zotero support website. Now you can use the Zotero tab in Word to automatically generate your in-text citations. Select the citation style that you want and click OK. Then find the book or article that you want to cite. I'll enter the last name of the author of the work that I want to cite. I'll select the book, hit enter, and the in-text citation is automatically generated. I can click Add/Edit Bibliography to automatically generate a bibliography of the works I've cited. Easy as that.